You send Sol. Someone opens the Explorer, sees your wallet, and follows it straight to where it landed. This tool breaks that trail. On j.tools, I'll use the search bar up top, type Relay, and open Relay Transfer. First, I'll connect my wallet from the top right. I'll use Phantom and approve it. First, the asset. I'll pick Solana, but this works with any token you're holding. Then the amount I want to send. I'll type in 0.05. Next, the destination. I'll paste the wallet address that will receive the funds. Now, the route itself. Relay depth is how many wallets your funds hop through before landing. 10 hops plus the destination. The delay sets how long it waits between each hop, fixed or random. I'll type in 2 seconds, and the priority fee decides how fast your hops go through when the network is busy. The higher you set it, the quicker they clear. I'll go with Express. The summary shows it all before I send. The amount going out, what actually lands, and the fees. I'll hit Execute. Phantom asks me to confirm the first hop. After that, each Relay wallet signs for itself. And now it runs on its own. Each hop is its own transaction, and you can watch every step land in real time. 11 out of 11 done. Every hop went through, and the funds landed in the destination wallet. And every hop links straight to the Explorer. Here's the final one on Solscan. Landed in my destination wallet, sent from a Relay wallet. That's the whole point. To learn more, make sure to subscribe and follow. Everything's at j.tools.